Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're filming Quailridge Summit and log cabin park models. I'm going to show you one of my best trailers. This is unit number 12089, and its designation is a Quailridge 40MLFD, and she's a beauty. She's got redwood siding, white trim, white lineals, white thermopane doors. Walking around the trailer, show you a few of its features. It's got an auxiliary air in the loft to keep the kitties cool all summer long. Outside water spigot, bay window, 20-gallon electric water heater. She is definitely 14.5 feet tall and 37 feet long. She's a big one. That's without the tongue. So let's go on inside. Now that you've seen how cool the outside is, that's nothing compared to the inside. Let's go on in. The 2020 Quailridge 40MLFD, Kelly style. Unit number 12089. Okay. When you go into a trailer at my place, everything in them stays in them. That means they're completely furnished. All the furniture stays. Several features common to all Quailridge. You get an end table and a lamp, a nightstand and a lamp, a sleeper sofa, a couple pillows, rocker recliner, table and 4 chairs. This trailer here has beautiful aspen plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor. So let's see. Back here, you can see we have carpeting in the master bedroom and stairs and loft only. I'll take you up there in a minute. There's a quick peek, because we got too many things to look at down here. You got a ceiling fan in the open concept floor plan. Extra large, I call it a farmer sink. It's a big one. Single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Pretty cool. Stainless sink. Look at all the drawers. You're talking about a lot of drawers for a trailer. Notice they all have full extension ball bearing drawer guides. The other thing, a lot of them have adjustable shelving, so you can put the shelving where you want it. There's the Forest River Park model vehicle ID. So you got a 30-inch range, 30-inch 5-burner stainless range. Check that out. That's better than my stove at home. You got a 30-inch convection microwave. Yep. Convection. That's the expensive one. Convection microwave. Okay. More cabinetry. A little bit of storage under the sink. There's some outside lights. One other thing, these chairs have storage underneath of them. All 4 of them flip up for a little bit of storage. This has my fancy Samsung $1,600 fridge in it. She's a dandy. I love that fridge. I need to get one all put together and do a little display of just the optional fridge you can buy. Okay, hall closet. We got closet over the fridge. I would need a step stool for that one. Big pantry. There's a big pantry next to the fridge. A lot of pantry space. There's a tall closet. That would be for hanging coats, vacuum cleaner, so on and so forth. we're in the hall here. So you've also got all these cabinets in the hallway. Cabinets everywhere. Check it out. Not real deep, probably 6 inches deep, but hey, how much room do you need for cans and stuff? The more cabinets, the happier people are. Gives you a place to put your stuff. It's all LED lights in here too, so it's really nice and bright. There's a little bit of storage underneath of the loft stairs here. Not a lot, but I mean, you could do blankets, linens, towels if you wanted. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, I gotta turn the light on. Don't need the exhaust fan. I'm not passing gas at the moment. Here's the pretty cool wardrobe. I mean vanity. I said wardrobe. Yeah, vanity. So there's your medicine cabinet. There's your sink. Porcelain house stool, of course. And then you've got the full extension ball bearing drawer guides in the bathroom. You also have storage under the sink. This is one nice feature here. You've got almost 7 foot of headroom in the shower. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower surround. And the threshold there is roughly 5 inches. So a lot of people want the low threshold, gets them into the shower. All right, well, we've seen the bathroom, so let's go check out the master bedroom. Again, we're going to step down into the master. See, there's a step down. And you got to walk around queen bed. No problem walking around the queen. There's your nightstand and lamp. You got a Serta Dreamscape mattress with a comforter. Got mini blinds, wood mini blinds on all the windows. Definitely have room for a queen or king if you wanted to change it out. They come with the queen, but you definitely have room for a king. I got to show you this wardrobe. This is pretty cool. They made room for a big TV in here. You can get a 50-incher up there, no problem. And look at all the drawers. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like I told you. So you can cram them full of goodies. His and hers, or like I refer to them, hers and hers. So you can have both sides. Hers and hers. Happy wife, happy life. Got storage. Electrical panel is conveniently located right here with all the breakers clearly marked. Got a nice matching cabinet. Don't even know it's there. Okay. Well, what you've all been waiting for. The loft. The loft. We're going upstairs to the loft. Okay, going through here. Got a great big loft in this trailer. There's the entertainment center. Got coax wired. There's the auxiliary air conditioner. Over here is the top loft. Over there is the 5-foot loft. I think that pretty well shows you this trailer. It's going downstairs. Bedroom in the rear. Step down. Nice big shower only bathroom. Great vanity in there. A lot of closet and pantry space in the hall. 5-burner range. 30-inch convection microwave. Oversized farmer sink. Mastercraft rocker recliner. You got an InnoFlame fireplace, and it's really cool. Feature wall behind the TV is kind of cool. Some LED lights in the front. Just a great trailer all in all. One of my favorites. MSRP on this trailer is right at $70,000, and it's in stock and ready for delivery. So if you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089, and have a great day.